Plywood saw machine can be 4 by 8 feet, 3 by 6 feet, or customized. Controlled by infrared ray. High efficiency.
Our company integrates design, research and development, production and sales, and works closely with China's advanced scientific research institutions. We have a strong research and development team. At present, our machinery has won a number of national patents. Pay more attention to machine details. Details determine success or failure, so we continuously improve and optimize machines' performance. Strictly control each production step using advanced lathe processing machine and through many times inspections. Make sure our machine accurate and durable. Scientific and technological innovation oriented, quality based, service supremacy. We offer full complete range of plywood production solution and technology support for our customers. Yet our machines have been exported more than 30 countries and regions like Russia, Poland, Ukraine, Portugal, Bulgaria, Romania, Turkey, Egypt, Morocco, Indonesia, etc. and get good feedback. Choose us. You need not worry anything. We will help you arrange all.